Welcome to Analyst, your destination for exploring the most iconic cars in automotive history. Today, we're diving into the legendary Aston Martin DB5, a car that has achieved timeless status thanks to its stunning design, luxurious craftsmanship, and a little help from a certain secret agent. Let's unravel what makes the DB5 a true classic. The exterior of the DB5 is a masterpiece of 1960s design. Its sleek, elegant lines, chrome accents, and iconic grille exude sophistication. The hand-built aluminum body, designed by Carrozzeria Touring, captures an era of refined automotive beauty. Add in the signature wire-spoke wheels, and you've got a car that turns heads even decades after its debut. Step inside, and the DB5 offers a cabin that's the epitome of British luxury. The interior features hand-stitched leather seats, polished wood trim, and classic toggle switches that give it a timeless charm. It's not just a car, it's a rolling lounge that makes you feel like royalty with every. Under the hood lies a 4.0-liter inline-six engine, producing 282 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed ZF manual transmission. The D5 was capable of a top speed of 145 mph and a 0-60 mph time of just over 8 seconds. Remarkable figures for its time. Smooth, powerful, and refined, the DB5 delivered a driving experience that matched its luxurious appearance. Of course, no discussion of the DB5 is complete without mentioning its starring role as James Bond's car in Goldwing. Outfitted with gadgets like an ejector seat and machine guns, the D5 became synonymous with style, danger, and intrigue, cementing its status as one of the most famous cars in history. Today, the Aston Martin DB5 is a collector's dream, with prices often exceeding $1 million at auction. Limited edition replicas, including the Bond-inspired Goldfinger continuation models, keep the legacy alive. Thank you for joining Auto Analyst as we celebrated the Aston Martin DB5. If you are a fan of this automotive legend, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Which classic car should we feature next? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more.